Do you need a license for cupping therapy? If you're considering adding cupping therapy to your practice, you might be wondering if you need a license to do so. Let's break it down to give you a clear answer. First, it's important to note that the requirements for practicing cupping therapy can vary depending on where you are. In the United States and Canada, for example, you need to be a healthcare professional with a specific license that allows you to touch patients. This is often referred to as a license to touch and is granted by the certification board that handles your specialty. To be more specific, if you want to practice cupping therapy, you typically need to be a licensed therapist, such as a massage therapist or another type of healthcare professional. This license is not just a formality, it's a legal requirement in nearly all 50 states. If you're already a licensed therapist, then you're good to go, but if not, you'll need to meet the licensing requirements for your area. While a specific certification in cupping therapy is not always required, it is highly recommended. Getting certified in cupping therapy can improve the effectiveness of your treatments and ensure you're using the technique correctly. This also shows professionalism and can help protect you from potential claims and lawsuits. In terms of who can perform cupping therapy, it's generally safe and can be done by anyone if they have the proper training. However, if you're practicing within a regulated health practice, you must adhere to the contraindications and legislation within your scope of practice. If you haven't had training in this modality or are not taking extra training to treat certain conditions, you need to take precautions. To summarize, to practice cupping therapy, you need to be a licensed healthcare professional with the appropriate credentials. While a specific certification in cupping therapy is not mandatory, it's strongly advised to ensure you're providing safe and effective treatments. Always check the specific requirements for your location to make sure you're compliant with local laws and regulations.